Hello, I'll have assignments posted on Google Classroom. Be able to get to Google Classroom, go up to these 9 dots. Some people call it the waffle. When you click on that, Google Classroom might be in the section right up in here, but you may have to drop down into the second section to see if it's here. If it's not there, it's in the third section. Once you find Google Classroom, click on it. It's possible that my classes have already been loaded in here for you. If not, you can join the class by clicking this plus sign and clicking Join Class. When you click Join Class, it asks for a class code. Here are the class codes for math, science, and ELA. If you need time to be able to write them down, please hit pause. Once you join the classes, you'll have icons like these. This first page you come to is called Stream. It has messages from me. If you go to classwork, it shows you where the assignments are. For math, I have assignments for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Further down, there are assignments for both art and music. When you click the assignment, you'll see the title. There'll be a place for you to type in your name. There'll be information on being able to do the assignment. This assignment has a chart on how to convert measurements. There's a video that shows you how to convert measurements. Then the first questions are multiple choice. After that, these questions are fill in the blank. When you complete it, make sure you hit submit so that you'll get a grade. That's how you'll be able to find the assignments through Google Classroom.